let's get into this video right here. I have clean hair, meaning the hair has been washed and conditioned. So right now the hair is a bit damp. So what I like to do is I like to grab some product and run my fingers through the hair, just distribute it all over so it can make my process faster and easier. I first like to start off with sectioning off the hair. I'm actually just sectioning off 4 sections right here. I am going to be blow drying the hair, but I'm not going to be blow drying it bone straight. I just want it to be dry and smooth. So what I like to do is I just like to run my fingers through it before I start blow drying it. This blow dryer here has teeth, so I don't really need a round brush to blow dry the hair. I actually got this blow dryer from the hair store, so it's pretty convenient if I just want to dry the hair. So as I section off the hair, I just run my fingers through it, make sure there's no knots and tangles all the way through before I start running my blow dryer through the hair. So what I like to do is I grab a section and I hold it snug in the palm of my hand, and the technique I use to blow dry the hair is I like to hit it at the root a couple times first before I run it through. So I'll hit it at the root a couple times and then I'll hit it at the end of the hair. And once I see that the hair at the ends is dry, I go back and I start from the middle and then I work myself down to the end. So I will blow dry the hair at the root and then I will blow dry it at the ends. And once the ends is dry, I go back and I finish off blow drying towards the middle and work myself back down towards the end. I just feel like this distributes the heat more evenly and it just makes sure your hair section is dry completely. As I finish off blow drying the hair, I'm just gonna run my fingers through it and take out the braids. I'm actually gonna do a protective hairstyle because I'm not actually going to give her the hairstyle that she wants at the moment because we have to run somewhere. So I'm just gonna do this protective hairstyle real quick. I'm actually gonna give her 2 cornrows in the meantime. You know, we can't be looking crazy out here in these streets, so you know, so I'm just going to section off the hair and I'm gonna braid each side and maybe put some beads at the end just to give it a little, you know, girly look. And that's it.